Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, September 17th. We continue with the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo, and today's essay is titled, We Are Rare. We are rare, not perfect. With our hands full of groceries, our heads full of things to do, our hearts full of memories, and our dreams full of plans, we tend to think if we could only get away or finish crossing off the things on that list, if we could only undo what has been done or do what needs to be done, we might then live more completely, more perfectly. But we are human beings, flawed, colorful beings that eat plants and memories for food. This is a deep paradox at work in us. For though we aspire to self-mastery and peace of mind, we are only momentarily whole. As conscious beings living in bodies, we are worn down by the days until we flash open to everything. These are moments of enlightenment, when the clarity and compassion of centuries rise in us, and we are suddenly more than we are, only to trip on the garbage the very next day, or to say something hurtful the next minute to the one we love most. I used to think of these come downs as failures, as evidence that I wasn't trying hard enough, and they would prick me with slivers of inadequacy. I often felt discouraged, as if there was something essential I just couldn't learn. For a while, I felt deeply flawed. But I have come to understand that this is the only earthiness of our human condition. It is not to be corrected or eliminated or transcended, just accepted. We are in moments pure and ageless as light, and with the very next breath, we drop things or bruise the treasures of a lifetime. We need to soothe ourselves, not to blame ourselves. We are rare, not perfect, and seem destined to know all there is briefly, only to pound it into breath. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, into your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath nice and soft, completely natural. Remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix now. Not your breath, not yourself, not this moment. It's all good enough, just the way it is. See if this reminder helps you settle into a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom, a space in which all the experiences of the present moment can flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. And now recall an enlightened moment in which life appeared especially clear to you. How did that feel then? How does it feel to remember it now? Now recall a moment in which you hurt yourself or a loved one, and feel the result of your clumsiness. Without judging yourself, hold that earthly reminder of your humanness in that clearness and let the two merge and soften each other. Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I touch deep, natural peace. As always, as you let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection and perhaps set an intention to enter your day with both clarity and compassion for yourself, for your humanness. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day. Tomorrow is Wednesday with Lorna's breathing practice, and I will see you again on Thursday.